It only takes one person showing up in the Beehive State with Ebola to cause a big scare. Even though that hasn't happened yet, Utah's health department says they have a disease outbreak plan in place, and they're ready to use it.
Getting minute-by-minute updates and changes, if they're necessary, from the Center for Disease Control, and then we process that and pass that on.
Hospitals are reviewing how to best diagnose and contain the disease and say they're ready if it makes its way to our state.
Training our staff as far as recognizing potential risk factors such as travel exposure and symptoms.
Doctors say early symptoms are like that of the common flu, and it probably isn't Ebola unless you've been somewhere where it's present. But if you're concerned, Utah doctors won't turn you away.
We've had a couple of cases where the symptoms were there, but the travel was not, which led us to believe it's a real long shot, but we went through all of the processes anyway.
Whether at home, school, or the airport, health officials say one of the best ways you can protect yourself from any dangerous disease is to sanitize.
The health department says there is a slim chance Ebola could show up in Utah, but because consequences are so severe, they have to be ready. In Salt Lake City, Aubrey Stuckey, 11 News.